Hello from Slovenia again. I have some paint here. It's not, a paint that you can pour out. So I want to try something. I want to just add a tiny bit of color in there, just a drizzle, and then I will cover this with pearl white, my pearl white mixture, and I will dirty pour this onto this canvas that I will reuse because I don't like the final result. So we can always pour over. You can paint it with white, you can just pour over. This time I will just pour over and want to see what will happen. It can be total failure, but if you don't try, you don't know. So now I will just pour pearl white in all the chambers. And I have some scrape offs too that I can use for kind of a flow extender if I need to. So I will just pour this on here, and I will go from up high first, and I will just for the final part I will do a little bit of featherings, or how can I say. So let's do that. Okay, we will see. Oh, have to. I have something I have to take out. Dry paint. I have to pour some pearl white over here because it can mess with my corner. I have a deep edged canvas, so I need to go over the edge with that, so let's do one spin. This will flow off just to give some slippery, that it will be more slippery. So here she is dry. I struggled a little bit, but the effects here with pearl white are exactly what I was hoping for. It's kind of watercolory, and I love that too. I did lost some details on the bottom because of it, but I'm kind of okay with it because I like it. And this is the last one of those dirty kind of split cup pours. I will start new series on Monday. I will show you a few really interesting stuff with glue pouring medium and some additions to that to create some nice looking paintings. So I'm excited about the new series. I will give you a few techniques, 5 techniques with the glue, pouring medium, and some of them are new, at least to me. So I will probably publish some shorts on the weekend, and see you again with the tutorial on Monday. Bye!